Okay, everyone, I really hate it when kids set off the fire alarm at school to get out of class, to skip a test, for fun, to scare people, and for a prank. I am really sick and tired of kids setting off the fire alarm at school when there is no fire or if they don't have permission to do it for the fire drills. This type of behavior is very dangerous and very illegal, and if you are caught setting off the fire alarm at school without a fire or without authorization, you will get suspended, you will get expelled, you will get grounded by your parents, and if you are 18 years old and older, you will get fined and you will get arrested by the police. Because fire alarms are not toys, they are very serious life safety devices. So, this is why you never ever mess with them. Bye.